So PhycoTerra is a non-living, carbon-based superior food source for the biology in your soil, around your seed, and on your plants.
A food source for the soil.
Yes, yes, for the microbes in your soil, the bacteria and fungi.
All right.
Yes.
Do they need to be fed? There's a lot of them there that kind of seem to stay year after year.
You know, you're exactly right. In just a single teaspoon of soil, you have over 1 billion bacteria and over 1 million fungi. The challenge that we have is about 75% of those are dormant. They're dormant because they don't have a good food source. When they don't have a good food source, they go into dormancy. Think about a hibernating bear, right? You basically have a hibernating microbe in your soil waiting to be fed. Once we feed that microbe, we see the explosion of activity, that feeding that occurs, that allows nutrients to be available to the plant, increasing yield, and also helping abiotic stress with our foliar application.
I'm assuming all these little guys are good guys.
Well, they're not all good guys. There are some bad bacteria and fungi in there as well, but we predominantly feed the good ones.
Okay. And so why do they need to be fed? Is it just boosting yield for that eventual crop?
Yeah, that's one of the big reasons, nutrient availability. So our nutrients are tied up in those soils, and this is allowing Mother Nature to do what she was intended to do. These bacteria and fungi had very specific tasks to help the crop. Unfortunately, they're not able to do that when they're in dormancy. We're waking up those microbes and allowing them to do the work that they were intended to do.
Okay. Now you have a product that you're applying that the farmers
Yep.
apply.
This is our product is, it is a water solution based product, okay? It's a liquid product. We have a soil amendment, which is our primary product that can be applied in furrow, 2x2, broadcast, wide drop, or side dress. We have a seed treatment product that typically if whoever treats your seed, you would just go to them, they would add it to their blend, and they put it on there at about 2 ounces. So very low use rate products that we have. Our soil amendment is a quart per acre. And then our foliar product is only 8 ounces per acre, and we typically just throw it in with your fungicide pass.
All right, if I'm applying a foliar product, how does it get down to the soil?
So in that case, that mode of action is actually different. It's not really impacting the soil. It's feeding that, what we call the phytosphere. The phytosphere is where that leaf surface meets the atmosphere. And you basically have a food desert there. There's just no food available. There's food in the soil, but on the leaf surface, unless something's blowing it in or there's rain, there's no food for those microbes to eat. We feed that plant surface. So in that case, it's more about abiotic stress management than it is necessarily about soil health.
Okay, all right. But a seed treatment, it'll get just you said 2 ounces per?
Seed treatment, yep, 2 ounces, and that's just around the seed. So that's coated on the seed. That helps with germination. It helps with early stand establishment. More importantly, even stand establishment, and then a very fibrous root system is really what it's impacting.
All right, now, do typical ag retailers have your product? Is it available if a farmer says, I want some of this?
So today, most of our sales have been direct to the farm. We're on about 2 million acres here in the U.S., but we are now having those conversations with retail partners trying to bring distribution on board. So we are very interested in talking to retail and having them partner with us to help deliver this product to farmers.
Okay. Is there a charge per acre then? Is a farmer buying it on a per acre basis?
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah. On average, I would say that the soil amendment runs about $10 an acre, and the foliar application runs about $5 an acre.
and
The seed treatment's about $2.
Okay.
$2 a unit.